I went looking for the best grocery list app for busy families the night I bought everything except the one thing I actually needed. Between work, school runs, and activities, one missed item means another trip. And a list that lives in someone's head is useless if you can't share it with your partner. So I tested Listonic to see if it actually saves time. Here's what I found. Listonic starts by fixing the coordination problem. Lists are shared and updated in real time, so everyone can collaborate on the list to avoid duplicate buys. If your partner grabs something on the way home from work, it disappears from your list before you even get to the store. Building the list itself is fast, which matters when you're doing it between meetings or after bedtime. Listonic suggests relevant products based on your past shopping history and recurring purchases, so most of a weekly list can be built in under a minute. You can also add items using the visual catalog, which is useful when you can't quite figure out what you should buy. Once the list is built, items are automatically sorted by store layout or product type, so you're not backtracking down aisles with a cart and a toddler in tow. For a family trying to get in and out quickly, that alone can shave real time off every trip. If you're trying to keep spending under control without slowing down, you can add prices to items so the app automatically calculates the total cost of your list before you even reach the register. And if you're planning meals for the week, which most busy families need to do, the built-in AI assistant can help. Ask it how to plan meals around what you already have, what's in season, or what a better option is for a specific item. For busy families, grocery shopping isn't the hard part. Fitting it into an already packed schedule is. Listonic cuts down the friction. Faster list building, real-time sharing, smart sorting, and reusable templates that save you from starting over every week. If your family's grocery routine feels like it's eating up more time than it should, this is worth a try.